We love the curls. We love it. We love it. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Trailing Danita here. If you are in love with natural hair, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, then this is the place. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there, and be sure to hit that notifications button so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And be sure to follow me on all of my socials at Trailing Danita. Alright guys, I am back with another hair video, and you know I love bringing you the hair content. Yes, I do. So I'm back with another video, and in today's video we're going to be trying out the Heatless curlers. Yes, oh yes, the Heatless curlers. I've been sporting my silk press for about a month now. Yes, it's been a whole month. I did a DIY silk press on my hair, and I recorded the whole process. If you have not checked it out, be sure to check that out. I'll put it right here, and of course I'll put it down in the description below. I also did like a week in my silk press kind of vlog showing you how I maintain my silk press. I'll be sure to put that down in the description below as well. On the tail end of my silk press, the hair is getting frizzy and the curls will be popping back. But before I do that, I wanted to try out the Heatless curlers on my hair. So these are the Heatless curlers. It actually comes in a pack of 3. Now I've tried the Heatless curlers before. I actually did the Heatless headband method. Was it a year or so ago? I'll put that up here as well as down in the description below to show the results of that. But the concept is about the same from the roller, but I think the curls will fall different with the 3 separate rollers. But they come in a set of 3. So they look like this. And with the 3 rollers, they're pliable, they're bendable, and then they have like hooks at the end where you hold the hair together. So we're gonna try these out and we're gonna see what happens. So like I said, they come in a pack of 3, but I bought 2 packs just in case because I envision that I'm probably gonna need a little bit more rollers. I probably won't need all 6, but I bought extra just in case. So let's just install the rollers, shall we? These rollers are supposed to give kind of like a more like feathered curl. I would describe it as that more Farrah Fawcett kind of look. A very bouncy curl. So we're going to see what that looks like. So let me figure out how I'm going to install them. I'm going to be putting a little bit of product on my hair. Starting out with some of the pink glosser, just to kind of tame some of the frizz that's in my hair. This gloss is really lightweight and it's perfect for like silk press styles. Gives you that gloss without the weight. So I'm combing that through a little bit. Ideally, I think I'm going to put the rollers here and then install them like going back. So let's see how that's gonna go. So let's start with the first section. I think I'm gonna need some clips too to make sure that this comes out halfway decent. Let me put some clips in my hair a little bit. I'm gonna clip this back as well. Brushing my hair with the TD Curl Cousin Curl Kit brush. Just brushing my hair just a smidge. And you know what? I think I might put some serum on my hair too. Yeah, let's put a little bit of serum on it. I'm gonna try some of the hair polisher. This is like a heat protectant serum, but you don't have to use heat. So I'm gonna use some of that just to smooth the hair a little bit. Brushing that through. I'm taking the roller, and you're supposed to kind of like we're doing this together, guys. Like, this is trial and error for me now. So you're supposed to take the roller like that. Got some hair pieces, honey. Take the roller and then snap it like so. All right, so that's the first one. It doesn't feel like tight. I think I'll put one maybe in the middle so the curls can fall back in the middle. So I'll put a big one here. And at this point, I'm eyeballing it, y'all. Like, this, there's no rhyme or reason with this concept. I am eyeballing it at this point. So I think I'll put like one in the middle of my hair. So let me clip this part. Since this is gonna be the next section, I'm gonna clip this part of my hair back. Oh God. Taking some of that serum. I'm thinking, do I take this one forward as well? Yeah, let's just curl it this way. Let's just do it the same way. All right, so same thing. I'm rolling it. I'm gonna try tighter, guys, because the first one feels loose. Okay, yeah, that one's feel a little bit loose, a little bit tighter. All right, 2 down. All right, I think I'm gonna probably part it like these will be 2 on the side, and then I'll put 2 in the back. I don't know, guys. I don't know. We're gonna see how this is all gonna turn out. I didn't think that I would be using all 6 of the rollers anyway. I just knew I would need more than 3. So that's why I bought extra. Okay. Just finished installing the rollers, and as a matter of fact, I used all 6. I don't know if that's a good thing or bad thing, but this is what it is looking like in the install right now. I have these 2 here, 2 on the side, and like 2 in the middle. They do not feel tight at all. They're actually really, really soft. I just don't know if it's because I have so many and it's not like super tight that it's going to give me that definition. I don't know. We shall see. So I'm going to wear these overnight, wrap this up, and hopefully it's not too hard to sleep on. That will be my biggest concern. Like, I need to get my rest. Okay, I don't like compromising my sleep. They feel rather soft, so it shouldn't be a problem. But yeah, I'm tying this up. All right, guys, so it's wrapped up for the night. I'll come back and record the results, so fingers crossed. Okay, guys, I am back. It is the next day. It's actually a little bit, not really early morning, but like early afternoon next day. And here we are. So a few things about the rollers. They're really, really soft and easy to sleep in. So my sleep wasn't really interrupted, so I like that about these rollers. So they're really soft. You can press down on them, which we love because we don't want to interrupt our sleep. It didn't come undone. Well, let me not speak too soon. Hopefully they didn't come undone. My scarf, you know, stayed on my head all night. So prayerfully, when I take this off, all will be good under here. So let's just go ahead and take this off. Kind of concerned about was after putting that product on my hair, I hope I didn't weigh it down too much. But yeah, they're still intact and all of the things. So here we go, here we go, here we go. Let's start by taking the ones on the side off first. And see how it's hooked. I wasn't sure if I showed that earlier, but they do stay on. They do not come undone in your sleep, so that's a good thing. Okay, so here we go. Okay, it's giving me a little wave. We will see. Okay, it's a little bit of bump with that one down. All right, let's do the other side. the one at the top. Okay, let's do this one. Okay. 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 I have to take them all out. Let me just take them all out. Let's just take them all out. Okay, it's giving all kind of fairer. So it's definitely giving textured, bouncy curls, a lot of volume. I think with my hair, you know, I like it. It's more textured silk press vibes. Not really a whole bunch of definition, but if you want like a loose, bouncy type curl, then yeah, this might work. This is something you might want to try. Now that I've done it, I think I probably would use less rollers, but I don't know. What do you think? I think the curls look really, really pretty. Yeah, I actually like the way it looks. It gives me like this like bump in the front. I don't know. It will depend on like how you roll it. So I did roll it like in the front to give me this bump. I wanted that look, so yes, I like it. I like the textured, bouncy, kind of effortless curls, but like you didn't put a lot of work into it, but you really did. That's what I love. One thing I will say about the rollers is be mindful of like the product that you put on your hair. Like for me, I put that glosser on it and I'm not sure if that weighed it down. It just really depends on how much curl or definition you want. Like it just really depends on your preference. For me, it's fine. It gave my hair some shine and definitely like a bump around the frames of my face. So I'm into it. Like, I like this. Okay. Yeah. It's definitely worth using these curls overnight to get you some of those bouncy waves that we love in the hair. So yeah, I would definitely try this again. We love the curls. We love it. We love it. We love it. So yes, guys, these are the results. Is it worth the hype? I mean, it depends on how you look at it. To me, it was worth it. I mean, I don't foresee these curls lasting longer than the day, okay? I will need to re-roll and use it again to maintain like this bounce and fluffiness. Overall, I think it's worth it if you just want to get some bouncy curls, if you want that whole texture Farrah Fawcett look to the hair. You can definitely achieve this with the heatless roller. Yeah, what do you guys think? Have you tried the heatless roller, the 3-set, or even the headband one that I mentioned earlier? Comment down below letting me know if you've tried that. And if you haven't tried it yet, would you try it? Alright guys, that is it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, ciao.